Today we're creating a spread in my catch-all planner for the week of August 10th through the 16th. If you want to see what I do this week, stay tuned. Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So like I said, today we are working on August 10th through the 16th in my catch-all planner, which is a vertical classic size Live Love Posh planner. As always, I'm going to start with all the checklists. I'm using a very simple Line It Up from the Happy Planner. It is so old at this point, but it still works great. So we're going to keep using it. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so happy you're here and I'm so happy you found me. I always love meeting you guys, so make sure you comment. And if you're coming back to spend more time with me, you guys are the best. You are like my besties, and I love hanging out with you and creating spreads and talking. Even though it's monologue, I wonder if sometimes you guys respond out loud as you're watching videos, because I know when I watch videos sometimes I'm like, yes, this resonates so much. So that's kind of where I'm at. We're gonna go ahead and do what we do always. I am very attached to my planner style, as one of my subscribers have said in the comments before, and I truly am very attached to my planner style. I think I finally found what works and I really like it. I am going to be making some changes, probably not like this month already. I started a bullet journal. I'll be sharing that with you guys, but I have stopped filling in my wellness. I just use my bullet journal in conjunction to the weeklies and dailies that I have in there. So that's what I've been doing. And the sticker book we're going to be using today is actually Life's Little Pleasures. It's a brand new book that I purchased from eStarCase, as well as the dashed boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans. Those are two really amazing books, and I'm going to pair them up and let's see what I come up with. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Yeah, I want to do a couple things. I for sure want to use some of these girls. I don't know which one. They're so lovely, all of them. That how do you decide? Like, I love plants, I love the cooking, I love the kitchen. Like, all of this stuff is so beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and do some of this. Like, I for sure want to use like the little condiments with tomato. I think that's so good. So I'm just going to remove the line in the middle between Friday and Saturday, and we're going to put it on there, and I think that's going to be so good. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, I'm just going to kind of place it like so. I think that looks good. You guys let me know what you think, but these stickers are just so beautifully colored and they're so vibrant. I really enjoy working with stickers from eStarCase. As always, if you guys do purchase from them, I really appreciate whenever you guys use my code. It's plan for 12% off, so that gives you 12% without spending any additional money that you would otherwise. It actually gives you a discount, so I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to start, as always, with some boxes. I just wanted to position that huge sticker because I knew I wanted to include that, and sometimes that's tricky once the boxes are down, but everything else can go after. So we're gonna do that. Let's see. So I use this whole page, so now I can move on to the next one, I guess. So I'm gonna take boxes down. I do like the larger boxes like so. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this together. So I do put a box on every day, and I do put smaller boxes Monday through Thursday for work schedule. So that's kind of where I'm at. Just helps me do all of this, and yeah, and that's what it's gonna look like. I am trying to be pretty straight with my smaller boxes. It's not working so well, you guys, but it's okay. I will make it happen, so it's all good. Okay, so almost there. I just want to like really, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, let's just fix it. Okay, that looks good. So let's keep going. Let's add the other side of boxes and then more and more stickers, because yeah, I like my stickers. If you guys have purchased before from eStarCase and you guys used my code, I really appreciate it. And if not, I really recommend checking them out. Not even because like of what I show, but there's such a huge variety. If you do junk journaling or anything like that, they are simply so amazing with so many things in there that I can't even list them all for you guys. But yeah, my collection has grown quite exponentially, and I really love all of the stickers that I have picked. So let's go ahead and add a few of stickers here again, because why not? Those are so gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add this basket of veggies, because why not, right? Like, it's so stunning. You gotta have it. There's so many beautiful girls in here too, like the dolls. I'm thinking of adding one of them, maybe in like that Monday sidebar area. I think that might work, so I'm gonna do that. And I want another bigger sticker like within that first page to do that. So let's add this really beautiful girl making dough. I think that's gonna be so good. Let's see. Isn't she stunning? Okay, but you can kind of slightly see the line, and that bugs me. So we're gonna remove the line, at least from her face, because come on, we can't slash her face in half. Okay, much better. That looks great. I like how she looks there. Yeah, I think that's good. I think I'm gonna give her the rest of her kitchen in that area too. There's another sticker with the same kind of background, like the tiles. So I think like we can complete her kitchen that way. What do you guys think? Do you see that? Like that whole like side counter is where she's keeping her ingredients while doing this. That's what I think. So I'm just gonna give it to her on Tuesday maybe. I will probably cover one or two bullet points, but you know what? It's worth it. It's so stunning. If I need more to-dos, I can always write them on a different day or in a sidebar. So I love my function, and I could never make spreads that are non-functional because I've tried and that's not me. But sometimes I can minimize the function to smaller amount of bullet points or move things around just to make it work. So that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and add some more elements. So one side is very like white and plain pastel, and the other one's very vibrant. So I think I gotta mix it up. I need to add some blender things to Thursday through Sunday and add a little bit more color like Monday through Wednesday on that side. So first of all, I'm gonna add this spice rack right there, and that comes the colors down a little bit. It's more wood, it's more neutral, it's good. And then I really like this scale. So we're going to put that on Sunday. And kind of position it like so. And yeah, and I think that kind of toned down that side and that looks better. And then I just need to add stuff to the other side. So I'm going to add this chopping board with all the stuff on it. And I'm thinking of the salad, but I'm going to cut it in half and do like it's peeking out of the 2 boxes on Monday and Wednesday. I don't know if that's going to be too similar or not, but hopefully it just works out. Sometimes it does, right? So that's all. Yeah, I think that looks okay. What do you guys think? Because it's a little different. And then a couple more things. I think I want to add maybe like a decorative box that I can cut up or something. So let's do that. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to add that to Sunday and Thursday. And then I think they'll be done. I think because of the realistic fruits on the other side, I wanted to add something like this to this side. I don't even know if I need both of them. I might be removing one of them. We shall see when I write in it. But so far, so good. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think because I know this is different. And I'll see you soon for another video with me. Thanks for hanging out and watching this. If you're not subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you would do so. And I'll see you soon. Bye!